Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we are in the kitchen with Kristin Hildabrand. She's Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, Kristin, today you are showing us how to make a delicious fall harvest salad recipe, and you actually grew some of these ingredients.
Yes, I'm so excited because we actually grew the lettuce here in the office. We actually started it a little bit after Labor Day, and then we were able to harvest it just in time to make this fall harvest salad. And it was an indoor garden that you can actually have indoors, so it's another option you might want to consider if you're not able to actually, garden outside.
Kristin, and we have so enjoyed seeing this lettuce grow, and we're excited to be able to use it today. So Kristin, tell us again, what are we making?
Yes, so we're actually making a fall harvest salad. It's through the Plated Up Kentucky Proud recipes that we have available at your local extension office. So the lettuce, again, was some that we grew actually indoors, and it's just an heirloom lettuce type mix. So we were able to harvest it right before, and then we washed all the greens off and kind of dampened them. If you have a lettuce spinner, it's always good to kind of dry it off that way. But we're starting with 5 cups of torn lettuce, and if you want them into more bite-sized pieces, you can do that. To this particular bowl here, we're going to add 2.5 cups of some spinach, and these are like nice spinach leaves. So whenever you get this ready to eat it, you're probably going to have to cut it down some because the leaves are pretty large. And I, Kristi, like to have my stems removed on my spinach just because I don't like to have a whole lot of that. But anyway, I'm going to hand that off to you.
Okay.
So that's basically our lettuce mix. And so what we've done to kind of bring out the fall, enhancement of a lot of our fruits, we've actually got 1 medium apple and a medium pear, and we've gone ahead and cut that up. And to it, just so it doesn't brown or anything, we've got 4 teaspoons of some lemon juice, and basically that's going to help it from turning. So we're just going to add that and kind of give it a nice gentle toss.
And Kristin, I see that you've left the skins on your fruit, and the skin provides such nutrients and fiber.
Yes.
And as well as color.
Yes, absolutely. So, and two, there's a lot of different pears and local apples that you can pick up at your orchard. So just experiment whatever kind of flavor that your family enjoys.
Yes, adding those in-season apples are going to add so much flavor to this salad. Now, Kristin, I see that you have some other ingredients to add. What do you have?
Next, we're going to add our pear and lemon mixture just right on top of our greens. And next, we're going to move on to our dressing ingredients. So to start our dressing, what we're going to do is we're going to take 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, we're going to add, this is what's going to enhance our flavor, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Okay, just a little bit of some Dijon mustard. We're only calling for 1.5 teaspoons. I'm going to add that in.
Kristin, I love adding Dijon mustard. It adds so much flavor.
Yes, I totally agree. We can't leave out our local honey, so we've got about 2 teaspoons of some local honey. And just a little bit of salt for just a little bit of flavor to it. Just a teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt. So next what we're going to do is just whisk this all together. Okay, so after we whisk all that together, we're just going to gently pour that over top of all of our pear and nice fall salad mix. And then basically what we're going to do here is just add the rest of the ingredients. So we've got 1/2 cup of some chopped walnuts. That'll be a nice enhancement to our pear and apples. And then next we've got about 1/4 cup of some feta cheese that's crumbled. And then also we're going to add 1/4 cup of some dried cranberries. So Kristi, basically all you have to do is just toss this, and whenever you're ready to serve it to your friends and family, it's just going to be so perfect for this fall season.
Kristin, it looks delicious. I can't wait for us to try this.
Yes, me too.
If you would like to try this Plated Up Kentucky Proud Fall Harvest Salad recipe, be sure to call your local extension office. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.